Hi, my name is Brooke Schuler, and I'll be your yoga instructor for this Victory Store Introduction to Yoga, presented in Living Augmented Reality. In this book, we'll explore 26 beginning poses. In order to see these, just use your AR-enabled phone or starting in downward facing dog. Raise your right leg coming into a starting in downward facing dog. Raise your right leg coming into a three-legged down dog. Inhale and sweep the right leg through. Start at the front of the mat. Step to the back of your mat with your left foot. Start at the front of the mat and step to the back of your mat with your left foot, dropping the left foot down so that the heel is at 45 degrees.